This is why we're doing fireworks right now. I'm gonna put this all together into. You missed some of that fountain. I'm gonna put some music to it. I don't know where are you gonna put it all together? No, like different parts of the video. Oh God. That was a nice one. My time to film. Hold on. Let me get one more and then you can do it, right?
I mean, the box is just going to do that, except there'll be 4 of them in it. Up and top, that's it.
You know, 5 minutes later. Jeez.
I wouldn't take it, Mom. It's not worth it.
You know, wait.
Look at that rainbow thing, Mom.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Ready?
Can you light it?
I want you to do what in the face.
Did you just say you want one to hit him in the face?
What did he say?
You want
It's
both
lit,
to
it's
get-
Then pee on it. Oh, I can put it in my
Oh God.
Oh, God.
I mean, it can't be any bigger than that.
I think they're cheering for us.
Here, George. You want to take a movie of mine?
Here, you can use my phone. I can use your phone.
Well, you can use mine. Annie?
Trying to turn the lighting up, but I can't.
Did I miss them?
Here, stop it until you see the light, and then you can turn it on.
How do you stop it?
Okay, lighting it. All right, go.
Is he doing it or not doing it? He's coming. Sparkler.
It's a fountain.
Dad stands right in front of it.
You need to come over here and put it blue.
Guy one.
Okay. Ooh, that's a good one.
If we go to it, it's standing right in the middle of it.
Is that Lisa's phone? You can give it back to me. Well, I think she took mine.
Here we go.
Lisa's phone?
Yep, Mama's phone. I'll bring him. How do you turn up the lighting? Say hi, Reese. Hi.
Filming, Georgie? You got it going? I don't even know how to take a film. Most of the time it comes on by itself and I'm staring at my feet. And I have to lead them.
Waiting.
Here comes
Flip. Flip. That is small.
Well, that's how they start. And then they gradually turn.
Are these the free ones you got?
I don't know.
Well, that must be free because I was
a physical
bored.
one.
No wonder it was free.
Yeah.
I bet that was the free one.
Are you done? Here, give that back to Reese or whoever it is.
Okay.
Mama's phone. Thank you.
Hello?
These must be the free cones I got.
How many did you get?
I don't know. He gave me like 15 of them.
You can bypass some of them. Or like 5 at a time.
Yeah.
So we're going to watch these fireworks. Come here. Come here. And then we'll go in. And then when we go in, you can
I
take
bet
those
this
clothes
is
off and hop right
another
into a
guy.
nice sudsy tub.
George, don't you want to sit in the lucky seat?
This is not a good.
Papa, those small fountains light more than one at a time. You need to turn this flashlight off.
Oh, shoot.
Missed it.
I gotta do a gritty. Okay, so did it.
Oh yeah, I missed it.
Where's George? Come on, George!
George, do the gritty over here. There we go.
Here it comes. Come on.
Come on, you're gonna miss it. There's another pretty little. Uh-oh, this is a whistling fountain. All the trees block it.
It was
Look how much I'm zooming in right now.
Oh, it's like nothing's right.
Reese, look how much I'm zooming in right now.
Whoa, my phone died.
Oh, cool. I like that part.
Zoom out, zoom out.
Okay, come on out here.
It's all kind of in my way.
You know what that sounds like?
What?
Do you think people will think it's one?
Who's yelling back?
Sure.
It sounded like this. Not really. Okay. Now land it.
Dad would move to the left. You
Real
can see it.
whistle.
If you would move, people would be able to see it.
Papa kind of needs to move. He's ruining my shot here.
Okay. Yeah, then ask him.
Doing working.
I'm done. How am I supposed to move?
Come here,
Over
George.
here. Over here, and then you can try to get rid of it.
Hold on, bud. Don't let him get more.
There's not that many more left, George.
They go quick.
Big.
Mom, can we today?
What?
His arms, it looks like it's gonna fly off. Oh God.
Oh, I love that one. That was a good
Oh,
one.
I didn't film that one good at all.
Yes, it was.
Well, I didn't. I said I didn't film it good.
Oh. It's like
The
rainbow
one came with 6
explosion.
balls in there. You put a ball in, light it. Go. Ball in. Come here, George.
Yeah, he's not lighting it.
You don't like them?
What do you say?
You can't stand to watch it.
What?
Here comes the free one.
Yep.
There's the free one.
But you know, if he set like 3 or 4 up and then lit them all at the same time.
Or if he didn't stand right in front of it.
You guys just bitch about everything.
What's Milo doing, Georgie?
He went to the back door when I went.
Mom, you know what Milo doing? Milo is dropping up every time we do firework.
Okay, it goes.
You guys know it's free run?
It's like miniature fireworks. Blackburn.
Yeah, those are miniature fireworks.
Yep, I should have got those 3 boxes of big ones out. Put it in your sack.
All the big ones are going to be the one he sends up with the one shot. There's going to be 4 in each box. That's it.
so bad. I like this one. It doesn't whistle though.
You can't brake turn it.
Can you ask him not stand right in front of me? I'm trying to film a YouTube video here. Shoot, he's on it.
Lots of money. Probably over $4. Maybe even more than $5.
No, it was like $5.
Did you leave your iPad inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Because Grandma's got a charger. We can charge it up overnight. Man, that's a big one. I don't know where they're coming from. I can't see it.
They're back there, that's why. Yeah, he's not lighting one.
If you need a flashlight.
He's got one. I saw him have one earlier.
Hey guys, so when we're waiting right now, I would love for you to like and subscribe. Please just like and subscribe and watch the video to the end.
Then he gave you lots of those. No kidding. Oh, mine goes. Sparkle. Hey, George, you're right in front of Aunt Lena, hun, done. Thank you. Really a lot of stuff if that's those little teepee things.
Mom,
What
did
I
you see
thought.
that shit?
Don't cuss. Don't cuss. All you gotta do is not cuss.
We're right into it now.
What, is he blind?
Scared him more than it did you, Amber.
I don't know if that's possible. Yeah. Lighting it.
I think you need a flashlight.
He has one.
It's white out there. I'm thinking it's just white. There's white.
It smells like gunpowder.
Smells like fireworks to me.
Gunpowder.
I don't know if I've ever smelled gunpowder.
Em, should you go
Gunpowder
ask
is
him
what
out?
was
What?
it?
It's what blows them up.
Yes.
What?
Mine was at 10%. The lighter ain't working. Shoes lit.
Adam, I think it's the same one we just saw.
Should we do the big ones now?
She's not a professional. For the finale, you should put them all together. Left. We're going.
Okay guys, so peace out. This is the end of this video. If there's a big one, I'll film, but peace out.